Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here, we show you tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. And today, we're gonna be looking on how to create a Discord server, make a voice and a text channel, and on how to find your invite code for the Discord channel, obviously. So first things first, we're gonna open up our Discord and we're gonna join in Discord. Once we're done with that, we wanna look at the left side, which will have all our servers hosted. We wanna scroll down and click on the plus icon, which is gonna be also highlighted as create a server or add a server. It's gonna be highlighted as create a server. You can add one by this button down here. So I'm gonna create my own server, so I'm gonna press on that, and it's gonna be for me and my friends. So over here, all we have to do is add a name, and I'm gonna put this as test, and you can upload a picture if you want. I'm not gonna upload a picture for this one, so I'm just gonna press on create. Once I do that, here's my Discord channel. So I want to create a new text channel. I'm gonna press on that, and I'm gonna do this as test. That's gonna be my text channel. And you want to create a different voice channel as well. For that, you want to press on that, click on the second, which is written as voice channel. I'm gonna name it as test. You can name your channel anything you want. I'm just naming it test because I just want to name it test. I'm gonna press on create channel, and that's it. Here's my test channel. I can join it, and my general as well, which was already created. Now I want to find my invite code, so I press on this. I'm gonna press on this, and I'm gonna press on the copy. It's hidden obviously, but I just want to press on the copy, and once I'm done with that, and done. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, drop a like. If you loved the video, subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.